experts in the field of Facebook ads. So in this video, I want to help you understand the training and how you can start taking action. Remember, it is only by taking action that trainings can help you, or trainings can be of benefit to your business. So in this video, I want us to look at 4 important things that we get from the training by Davie. So number 1, I want us to pay very good attention to the point of who is the training meant for. Okay, who is this training on Facebook ads targeting? Okay, I will go further into that. Number 2, I will be looking at how the Facebook ads work. This is also well explained by Davie. Then another important point is about settings. Settings is an important aspect of Facebook ads as described or as explained by Davie. Then lastly, I will also explore into the point of ad creative, which is also emphasized as a very important element or component of Facebook ads. So without wasting too much time, let us start with the first point. Who is the training targeting? Now, in the training, Davie mentioned several types of people. He talked about agencies, he's talked about digital marketing agencies, he talked about big businesses, he talked about big brands. But one important thing that he talked about are small businesses. Okay, so what are small businesses? Small businesses are like, for example, you are just starting out a small business of selling clothes. You are selling maybe second-hand clothes online. You are selling new clothes online. Maybe you are importing clothes from China and you want to sell them online. That's an example of a small business. Another example of a small business, maybe you are in the construction industry. Maybe you are a subcontractor. Okay, you are looking for things like customers who are doing things like painting, wall skimming. You are looking for plumbing jobs. You are looking for electrical installation jobs. Those are also put under the category of small businesses. Another example is of a small business is a service-based business. Maybe you are there looking for cleaning work. You are there looking for pest management or fumigation services work. They all fall under small businesses. And we have so many people who are interested in small businesses, but they are stuck, they are paralyzed at the stage of marketing. So if you are stuck in any place, you are not getting customers for your business, or you've started a Facebook page, but it is not getting followers, it's not giving you anything, it's not giving you business, this training is for you. So you can head over to YouTube, search Davie Forgaty, and you'll be able to start learning about Facebook ads. This video is just meant to distill that particular training so that we can move together. All of us who are learning about Facebook ads, group work is an important aspect of learning. Even back when we were in school, we were being grouped, we were put into study groups. Study groups can help you learn concepts faster, okay? Because Davie may not be available for everyone. And we'll see, usually when it comes to learning, we can see things from a different perspective. Me, I can see something advertising from the perspective of a tutor, but you will see training from the perspective of a cloth retailer or a plumber or an electrician and so on. So that's the first point I want to emphasize about the training by Davie Forgaty. The second point, point number 2, is how does the Facebook ads work? So when it comes to this point, Davie uses a very simple illustration. He says that Facebook ads is like a machine, okay? Maybe it's like an investment machine whereby you put in something like $1, okay? The input is $1, $1, okay? Now this $1, you expect it to give you the output. The output you want in terms of $2. $2. Okay, So he explains that Facebook ads is like a machine. You put in $1. For you to advertise on Facebook, you must put in some money. Okay? And when you put in this money, you expect some return. So if you put in $1, you expect a return of $2. And for you to do that, or for you to achieve that particular goal, you want $2 from Facebook, you have to do some things. And that's where, and this leads us to the next important section, settings. Okay? Settings. What are settings? So we move to point number 3. What are settings? We want to explore and learn about settings as explained by Davie Forgaty. So when it comes to settings, Davie tells us that settings are a very important aspect of Facebook ads. Now, settings starts from the type of account that you are going to use to set up your Facebook ads manager. He recommends that you use a Facebook account that has been used for some time. For example, a Facebook account that has been used for 6 months is good for running ads. The reason for this is that for a newly created Facebook account, Facebook might be suspicious. Okay, Facebook might be suspicious whether you are a human being or you are just a bot that has opened an account. So ensure that you use a Facebook account that has been active for some time. Make sure that you are posting information. Keep posting about your personal life so that your friends can interact with it, and this will send signals to Facebook that you are a real human being. Then number 2, business information. Business information is another key element of Facebook advertising. Business information, we are talking about things like your business name, okay, the phone number, and contact information. So this information has to be accurate. Don't be lazy and don't confuse Facebook. Whatever information that you've given out as a business information, maybe the name of the owner of that business, make sure that that information matches whatever you have on your identification document. That is, we're talking about your driver's license or your passport. So ensure that your business information is accurate, and this will help, or it will prevent your account from being banned in future. So it's simply just preparing you, and it's telling you that there is this thing called being banned on Facebook ads, and once you are banned, it will be so depressing. Okay, it will be so stressful. So you want to prevent that, and that's why his training is very good. It provides very good insights about being banned on Facebook, and the things that you need, things that people ignore, and yet they come to cause them in future. Another important thing he emphasizes is the payment details and the payment method. So payment method is very important. Since you are going to put in some money in this Facebook ads machine, okay? Facebook ads machine, we've said, is a machine where you put in $1 and you expect a return of $2 or $3. So you are definitely going to be required to send some money. So it is important that you give a very good payment method. Okay, for example, in Kenya is a developing country. We are using what we call M-Pesa. You can use M-Pesa to send money to Facebook ads manager, and from that money you can run advertisements. He is warning in the training by Davie, he's warning us not to use PayPal. I know some people already know PayPal as a payment method, so you might be tempted to use PayPal. You are being warned, don't use PayPal because you might be banned in future. Now I want us to move to the fourth important element of Facebook ads, and that is the ad creative. Ad creative. Now when it comes to ad creative, Davie goes very deep. He goes very deep into concepts such as how to create the campaign. Okay, you are on the Facebook ads manager. You've now hit the create campaign button. There are things that you need to put it right before you go to the ad creative. So he also talks about the types of ads with a lot of emphasis on images and video ads. Take note of that. There is a lot of emphasis on images and video ads. Then he also goes to the formats. Format is also an important aspect of an ad creative. In which format have you put your ad? Is it a user generated content type of format? Is it an unboxing video? Okay, so you need to learn what are these formats that are doing well on Facebook ads. To me, I was surprised how the idea of format is affecting the performance of Facebook ads. Then he analyzes the principles of a good ad. This is also an extremely important aspect that if you want to grow as a Facebook ads manager, you must pay close attention to the principles of a good ad. You must understand and include these principles in your future ads. Number one, unique selling proposition. Your ad must have a good unique selling proposition, because I think this works on the mindset of the target audience. Does your product or does your message have any unique selling proposition? Remember, the whole purpose of advertising is to make a sale. Okay, without sales, you are not in business. Another principle he talks about is education and entertainment. Your ad is supposed to either educate or entertain. Education means you are teaching something that somebody didn't know. Maybe somebody had never heard about Facebook ads. Now you are going to teach them about Facebook ads. Maybe somebody doesn't know the benefits of a particular mobile phone, and your ad is explaining what are the uses of this mobile phone. Entertainment means that your ad maybe has drama or it has humor. Those are two important things when it comes to entertaining. Then great offer and urgency. A good ad should have an offer. An offer can be something like, we are going to give you 80% discount. Okay, on your, if you buy the product today, you see, there is some urgency. If you buy the product today, there is a discount of 80%. If you are going to buy the product, for you to get this offer, you must buy 2 or 3 items. That's another type of offer. Okay, so you must demonstrate, you must show your targeted audience that there is some urgency, or you can say the offer is limited while stock lasts. That's also another example. Then he also talks about your ad not being pixelated. I don't know about pixelated, that is a new term. Maybe if you know anything about that, you can explain to us what do you mean by pixelated. Then your ads are not boring. Ads not being boring. That's a very important principle. Remember, for you to grab attention, you must give something that is interesting. The opposite of being boring is interesting. Things that are interesting. For example, things that are associated with drama. Drama is always attracting people. Human beings are always attracted to drama. For example, when people are quarreling, when your neighbors are shouting or quarreling, you are likely to go to the window and start peeping to see what is happening. What are my neighbors doing? When you are walking in the street and somebody shouts, you are likely to look back and see what is this person trying to say, or what is this person trying to do. So in brief, those are the 3 important things. Those are the 3 important points or takeaways that I wanted to talk about regarding the Facebook ads training by Davie. So what do you think? What is your biggest takeaway from Davie's training? Have you watched the training from the beginning to the end? Have you also tried implementing what this guy has explained? Have you done the basics? For me, I've already created my Facebook page. I've already run my first campaign. I got 0 results, and that's why I'm here. I'm here to learn how to improve my practice of managing Facebook ads for my business. I want to learn. I want to also help you learn. The purpose of doing this analysis or these reviews about trainings on Facebook ads, I want to help other people, especially small businesses. I want us to form a community or a group where we can learn, and where we find challenges in the course of learning. We can all together approach an expert. We can approach somebody like Davie Forgaty, so that we present our challenge to him so that he can give us a solution. Okay, something that can benefit all of us. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't be left out. Please subscribe to my channel so that we can grow a community that will approach our common problems and find a solution, so that we can grow our businesses and become successful and become the best version of ourselves. Thank you so much, and I will be seeing you in the next video. I'm waiting for feedback. If you have watched the training, if you've not watched the training, and you are still keen on where to focus, this video should help you identify the key areas that you can start focusing on and start taking action towards achieving your goals. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.